Hello everyone, I'm Chris with U-Haul. Today we're going to review the Yakima Ridgeback 2 hanging style bike rack. This bike rack is easy to use and it's a reliable way to secure your bikes for your next adventure with friends or family. Now let's take a closer look at some of its features. The Ridgeback 2 will come out of the box ready to install on the vehicle. It does have a locking anti-wobble system, and it is for a 2-inch receiver. If you plan to install the Ridgeback 2 on an 1.25 inch hitch, you need to remove the extra hardware. Go ahead and place it in there. Insert the pin on the driver's side. Now you can lift up on the bike rack and remove as much slack as possible. Tighten the locking knob. This bike rack has a tilt-away feature. By pulling on this handle, you can lower the bike rack and open your cargo area. Lifting up on this handle is how you raise your arms so you can load bikes. Provided frame straps. Yakima has also provided a strap that you can use to secure the tire so it doesn't turn, spin, or hit anything during the ride. That concludes the review of the Yakima Ridgeback 2. Thanks for watching and we'll see you out there. This rack weighs 32 pounds, can hold 2 bikes up to 40 pounds each. If you have any questions about this bike rack, or if you'd like to take a closer look at one, visit your nearest U-Haul Hitch Center or visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.